Kung ang task ninyo is maghanap ng lupa or vacant lot na bibilhin, ang tawag doon is prospecting. This is part of real estate virtual assistance task. And you can actually do it via phone calls or pwede rin kayo mag-send ng text blast or pwede rin via email pero medyo mahirap. Now, kung ano man yung gagawin nila dun sa lot na yon, like for example dito gagawing commercial or commercial space or wedding venue, it's up to the investor. Ang tawag sa kanila ay real estate investor. Sila yung mga bumibili ng mga properties for different types of investment. Pwedeng gagawin nilang Airbnb, pwedeng gagawin nilang buy and sell, parang flipping ng properties. Marami kasing iba't ibang uri ng business model when it comes to real estate, lalo na sa US. Kaya nga sabi ko, nung magturo ako ng real estate virtual assistance, ang mas maganda na atake is matutunan ninyo yung skill set mismo, yung role mismo, at hindi kayo mag-focus lang sa isang type of industry or business model ng client. Kasi kung marunong kayo ng lead generation, prospecting, at the very least, meron kayong script, babasahin nyo yung script, tatawagan niyo yung mga leads. Ang kailangan nyo doon is confidence, phone confidence. You should be able to talk to people over the phone. Kung ang papasukin nyo naman is marketing, then obviously you need to know and understand kung paano gumamit ng Zillow, apartment.com, napakaraming website, MLS. So, familiarity dun sa mga system or apps na ginagamit would be very helpful. This is something that I am currently working on right now is para lang magkaroon kayo ng internship hindi lang sa pagtatawag, hindi lang sa isang role, kung hindi sa lahat ng roles na pwede nyong pasukin as a real estate virtual assistance. Pero hindi pa namin nalo-launch ito. So, right now, yung Reva class namin is $499 pa din kasi wala pa siyang internship. Pero yung last batch, last month, and then yung papasok this coming July 14 na class, makaka-experience sila firsthand nung internship na ipapasok namin right around August or September. If you guys are interested to join nga pala, so punta lang kayo dito sa link sa bio ko, i-click nyo lang yan. It will then open our Gig Hub. So, dito may nakasulat live mentorship classes. Hanapin nyo lang $499 yan. Real Estate Virtual Assistant. I-click nyo lang yun. It will then open the form para maka-join kayo sa real estate class namin. Again, ang next class is, I believe, July 14th, 1 till 9 p.m. But we highly encourage everyone to join as early as you can kasi yung process namin, it takes some time. Meron siyang onboarding para sa training bago kayo maka-join sa live classes. And hindi siya tumitigil sa mismong onboarding lang, live classes. You'd also have the application book, tapos mock interview, yun yung one-on-one nyo with me para ma-certify namin kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!